just like that. It's probably gonna flip over though.
You're gonna tie those there. You're gonna tie them across.
Want to find out? Jam it in there? Yeah, maybe. Pretty good.
I need a base. I don't
Then you
have
wanna,
one.
how about we glue that?
Time for a haircut for Mr. William. Dockside special. Go from super long and shaggy, full of bugs, short and flat.
No bugs.
What do you think, my son?
Good.
Do you walk around? No, hold still so I can see the size. Not bad for a non-professional dad haircut on the dock in the wind. Rendering lard outside the butcher shop. Shopping in Mexico is a little different than at Walmart. There's Walmarts here though, but I don't consider Walmart part of Mexico. Alright, so the kids are getting put to work today at a restaurant and learning how to serve the guests. Right now it looks like half of them are eating, but they're going to take orders and make food and all sorts of things. So we're going to partake of their services. Right, we started off with a couple of agua purificados, hopefully. We don't know where the water came from, but we're going to live on the wild side.
A jug, apparently.
Apparently a jug. And
big jug.
we got some salsa and what do they call those?
Chips.
Chips? I don't think they call them chips.
White whale. Ballena Blanca. I think that's how you say it. Kids are super excited because they're running the place. It's our 12-year-old bartender.
Margarita? One margarita in the rock, the same. Yeah.
Here they are taking orders. Food. What are you guys doing? Oh, don't do that. You'll break Dad's phone.
There's Kat pulling all the strings behind the scenes, making it happen. There's our waitress. What's our waitress's name?
You guys look cooks back here.
Because then I have to draw princess. And it's other legs.
Its other legs are tucked up on the other side. This is like here. One, gotta pass me.
How do you like your juice,
I
Amelia?
have a lot of drawings, so it definitely helps.
It's a two that can. Do you like my?
The kids are making donations to the turtle. You put it in sauce?
No. Anyone else want to make any donations to Turtle Can? Banana family. Look, it's a great big hole. Great, let's take it in. I have two.
Right, so I pulled out the dinghy D-ring here. Not last night, the night before actually. So hoisting our dinghy out of the water, so the fabric had come completely delaminated. So found some patch material that we had on board and cut a new one, and now I'm contact cementing it. I found the proper Hypalon glue at a marine store here in La Cruz, but it was 1,400 pesos, so that's like 70 bucks, so it wasn't gonna happen. So try this first. I'm sure the lighting just looks weird on my screen, or it is that weird, but cut a new patch. Did a contact cement on the two different layers, and then on the dinghy, and then on the D-ring patch, and we'll see how it works. Not super optimistic. I think that's the scratch anyway. Oh no! Too much sail. Still gonna win. Oh, that other one's in your way. Plan B wasn't in your way, you would have been there. Alright, Silas's boat is dragging the whole crew here. There they go. Oh, took a turn. There's Polaris going straight. Oh, collision. Oh, we got flashback collision with Polaris. Alright, the two nice good boats collided and are crashed at the end of the course. Looks like Plan B is moving.
They're dragging the other one.
There we go.
Flashback is taking on water.
Dad, I'm sinking.
Slowly. Oh, and now we get a full loop on Plan B. It's not looking good.
What?
That's alright.
What, Dad?
They're dragging the other one. Oh.
Shiloh's gonna win.
It's gonna be a group finish.
Yeah.
That's the...
Oh, watch it happen. Oh.
Maybe not.
Okay, so there was a tie.
Race interview. How did you feel about the last race?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a solid third place finish. You were neck and neck with flashback for it.
Okay, people. Are we starting?
Oh, look at it go! Whoa! Is there a motor on that thing? Oh! Turn!
Not the vortex, dog. Drag it again. Oh, it's underway.
Exciting.
Being in the back, dude.
You had an accidental job there. You were just taken right off. Oh.
Oh, it's taking off, dude.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
It's going.
What is it? Oh, it's gonna. Oh, right in the corner.
Oh, where are you?
Uh-oh.
Good.
Look at Tessa's boat is gonna win with no sail at all.
Simplicity.
Yeah. Oh, Plan B is sneaking it up. This is Shallow's boat, Plan B. It's just gonna win off sheer, just an empty milk jug would have worked better. Oh, it's going! It's going!
That's why I like that boat, because it's made out of empty water.
Whoa! Oh yeah, that's good. Woo, there you go. Good job.
Oh, no water in it. You made it. Just go in it.
Oh, here she moves.
There she goes.
There you go.
Oh, no.
Trees, my daughter. We get $5,000 petty cash for me.
Got some stuff to get a sign here, sir.
Did you know that the builders of the great cathedrals of Europe were legal?
Hinterland, Marina, Cruz. You don't have to put it. Did I do it? Marina and La Cruz.
That's the kids' net. Annika just checked in for our boat, so have the kids' net after the main net.